do this little animation video clip just so you have this image of dilution in your head. So what I've got here is about 0.2 liters of water or solvent, and I've got a nice highly colored solute. So I'm going to sprinkle that in there. So I've made this concentrated solution, or solution in 0.2 liters. And you can see I'm almost 4 moles per liter. So let's think about this. I'm going to add water up here. The volume is going to go up, and the concentration is going to go down. I know this sounds trivial, but this image may help lock it in your head. So I'm going to go from 0.2, I'm going to try to bring it up to about 1 liter. And you can see the color is getting lighter, and I think that helps sort of burn the image in your head. And lighter, and sure enough, I'm down to about 1 mole per liter. And there we are at about 0.8 moles per liter. Okay, so I hope that helps you kind of think about, oh yeah, the volume goes up, volume numbers go up, concentration numbers go down. Oh, and I would encourage you to kind of play with this this simulation here. Can I do that? Oh yeah, I can do that. This simulation is awesome. You can plug in moles and do all kinds of things. All right, I hope that's helpful.